In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Domo AI Video Generator, a powerful tool that allows you to transform simple images into engaging videos using artificial intelligence. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or simply someone interested in the creative possibilities of AI, this guide will walk you through each step of the process, ensuring you get the most out of this innovative platform. First, you'll want to navigate to the Domo AI website, particularly the video-to-video style transfer section. Opening a web browser and typing in the URL is your first move. This section is the hub for all the amazing video transformation features that Domo AI has to offer. Once you're on the page, take a moment to explore and familiarize yourself with its layout. Next, you will need to review the privacy settings. This step is crucial to ensure that your data is handled in a way that meets your comfort level and security requirements. It's always a good practice to be mindful of privacy settings whenever using online tools. Now, let's get you logged in. You can use your Google account to do this simply by clicking on the Login with Google button. This method not only ensures a secure login, but also streamlines the process so you can get started on your project without delay. Once logged in, look for the Image to Video feature. Clicking on this will open a new window where you can upload and work with your images. You'll see a lot of interesting options, but for now, focus on this vital aspect of the Domo AI tool. After selecting Image to Video, you will need to choose the asset you want to transform. This involves clicking on Select Asset, which opens a library of images. If you don't see what you need, don't worry, simply click Upload to add a new image from your device. Navigate to the image you wish to use. In this case, you might have something specific in mind. Select it carefully, as this image will be the foundation for the video you're about to create. If it's a new upload, ensure it's in the correct format and ready for transformation. Once your image is in place, you can choose to customize it further by using the Highlight feature. This feature allows you to emphasize parts of your image, making it stand out more in the resulting video. At this point, it's time to get creative. Type in a prompt that conveys what you wish to achieve with the AI transformation. This prompt will guide the AI in how to treat your image as it generates the video. Once you're happy with the prompt, click Generate. In just a few moments, the AI will process your image and prompt to create a video. If satisfied, you can save or download the final product, and if not, don't hesitate to tweak your settings or try different prompts until you get the perfect outcome. Enjoy the process, explore the possibilities, and see how Domo AI Video Generator can elevate your content creation.